Sam and Calvin. This is question 1 on the programming assignment 3 where we're splitting a larger than 30 long packet into 2 packets. So if we run it, we can see the different segments of twas brig, and it sends it through with the MTU being small. So right here we have a function in the UDT strings where it slices it up so it can be sent with a 50 MTU segment. In question 2 of programming assignment 3, as you can see here, we've changed the MTU to 30, so we have to segment it and reassemble it. Right here we implemented some of the fragmentation rules, so we have an ID length offset fragmentation flag, destination, and we pass that all through, and then it gets right here we parse it in this function. So so that's what happens there. If I run it, we can see it gives the ID frag1 because we want to frag it. This is printing out all the segmentations. And then towards the end, if we get done, we can get the overall received, and now this is the full message. And if we go back up here, it's passing segments along with the header values. Now for question 3 on programming assignment 3, we implement the fragmentation and reassembly as well as passing in a forwarding table, which we have in the simulation. We initialize the topology as specified with router A, B, C, and D, and we pass through the forwarding table. If I start this up, we can see that host 1 is sending a message to to host 3, and host 2 is sending a message to host 4, and we pass in host 4 from host 2, host 3 from host 1. In here we print out its current location as it moves through the routers and which interface it takes. So now we can see all the simulations have ended. We have the final printout that's reassembled for the second message. It finished last, and then we have the final message at host 3 that also was reassembled right here. And if we scroll up, we can see that here are some of the packets, and you can see their headers with the destination, source, fragmentation, and ID and whatnot. In here, we take in the values like usual, and down when we fragment it, we pass in the forwarding table, check it all, and do the reassembly. So that is the solution to question 3.